Good morning, students. Now, today we are going to start the very first chapter of class 11 mathematics from NCRT. That is chapter number 1, sets. What is a set? The first question arises here. What is a set? Set means collection, clubbing, grouping. Collection of particular objects which having a unique property or common property that must be well defined also. Simply, the basic definition of set is certain sets a collection of well-defined object. That is set. Second thing comes here, how we represent the set. We can represent the set by two ways. One is the known as tabular method or roster method. Tabular method and roster method. Second is set builder. Suppose that I am saying a collection of even numbers, and tabular method by saying A and use curly bracket, even number 2, 4, 6, 8, dash, dash, dash. This is known as representation, known as the tabular method or roster method. Second, set builder method, say X such that is called inside. He says it is such that X is even, positive. So in tabular method, we have to write all the element belonging to that set. Okay, and but in set builder method, we have defined by x, y, whatever this, and represent what is this x. Explain what is this x. Next more thing is one sign here later belongs to. This is known as belongs to, and, and when we cut it, it is known as does not belong to. What is the meaning of belongs to? Belongs to means related. Belongs to means related. Okay. Suppose that you are the class student of class 11A, section A. Okay. So we will say you belongs to section 11A. That is suppose as a set. So belongs to means you are related. We belongs to India. We are citizen of India. We belongs to India. Okay. So simply say a set having element 1, 2, 3, 4. So here 1 belongs to A. Yes. Because 1 is existing, 1 is present in A. 1 is a 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the element of A. So we will write 1 belongs to A. And again 2 belongs to A. And 5 does not belong because 5 is not existing. 5 is not here. 5 is not part of A. That is 5 does not belong to A. Now I am going to start very first exercise 1.1. There are many exercise 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4 and so on. The very first question you have to write, you have to tell them it is set or not, because I has told you that set means well-defined object. Well-defined it must be. The question number first is the collection of a month of a year beginning with letter July. Collection of all the month of a year beginning with letter J. Letter J, say A. Set say. So it is January, June, and July. We have a clear picture about them. Okay, we have a 3 month known as January, June, and July, which start with letter J. Start with letter J. So it is very clear picture. It is well defined. It is not unknown. Okay, it is clear. So it is yes. Yes, answer is yes. It is set. Second, the collection of 10 most talented writers. Second question, 10 most talented writer, I like writer. Okay, so here it is vary from person to person because whatever I like one writer like Premchand, okay, and another person who like another writer Shakespeare, okay, so that is different, okay. So it is our by our choice. I can like 10 different writer and any other person can like any different 10 other different writer. So here it is not well defined. It is not well defined. It is person to person. It is their choice. So this part, this is not no. It is not a set. Because set means it must be clear cut picture. It must be well defined. Third is also again asking a team of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world. 10 cricket batsmen again. My choice is Sachin Tendulkar. Some other choice may be Saurav Ganguly, and some third person choice may be Rana Tunga. Okay, so that is a different choice. So that we cannot say that it is clear. It is differ from person to person, person to person. So it is also not set. Okay. Now fourth part is collection of boys in our school. Collection of boys in our school. Fourth part, boys in our school. Boys in our school, it is fixed, it is clear because we have a limited number of all identified boys. Okay, so yes, it is because it is well defined. We, we can write name of all boys here. Okay, so for boy A, boy B, boy C. So it is well defined. So first question they are simply asking that it is set or not. You have to check the thing is well defined or not. Okay, and now question number two. It is very simple, easy question as I told you. A set having element 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. And they are asking put the sign here, 5 here, 8 blank, 8 filling the blanks, 0 filling the blanks. So 5 belongs to A? Yes, 5 belongs to A. 8 belongs to A? No, A does not belong. 0 belongs to A? No, 0 does not belong. So you have to write put the just fill in the blanks. This belongs to sign or does not belong to sign. So the third question, they have given the set here and you have to convert into roster form. They have given in set builder. The first part A, x such that x is an integer, x is an integer and it is say 3 to 7. Okay, so we have to convert, we have to write this set which is given in set builder form, we have to write in roster form or tabular form. Okay, so it is integer and between 3 and 7 integer will be 4, 5, 6. That is. This is conversion of set builder form to this. No. The one other part, x is a natural number less than 6. X says that x is a natural number less than 6. It means B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, it is a conversion of set builder form to booster form. Now, question number 4. That is reverse question. They have given in set builder form and asking convert into they have given the tabular form and asking it into convert into set builder. And the first question 3, 6, 9, and 12. Okay, and the state is E, and we have to convert this into set builder form. Say X such that X is a multiple of 3 where X belongs to positive integer and value of X is between 1 to 4. Okay, this is the converting to set builder form, Then coming to the next topic, next point, next exercise, there is some kind of set. What is a kind of set? There are a few cases. One is the empty set. What is the empty set? Empty set means null set. A set which contains no any element, which does not have any element. Empty we represent empty set by phi or like simple curly bracket. No, nothing inside this bracket. Nothing inside this bracket. This empty set. Or empty set means also this that empty set means also when your statement is not valid. Suppose that if I say 2-digit positive number less than 10. So my statement is valid? No, it is not possible. 2-digit and less than 10, this is not correct. So my statement is not correct, it is not valid. So how many elements will cover in this set? No element. So that means this. So empty set means null set. It is also or you can represent empty set by phi or like this. This is known as empty set. So a set which does not contain any element called empty set. Then second is finite set and infinite set. Finite set and infinite set. It is very clear. Finite means when the number of elements are fixed, clear. Okay, that is a finite set. When number of elements is not fixed, it is infinite, not counted, unlimited. That is infinite set. That is infinite set. For example, for set of even number, 2, 4, 6. It is infinite. Okay. Set of the population, the people living in India. People living in India is fixed, it is counted, it is limited to this finite set. The next is equal set. Equal set means when two sets having same element, common element, except same element, that is equal set. Okay. Say A, B, C, D. And another set B is D, C, D, A. So you can see here that is two different set, but same element, serial number is changed, but A is equal to B. This is all full of equal set. So now I am taking some questions from exercise 1.2. Which of the following are null? They are asking. They have given many parts and asking it is null set or empty set or not. The first part, the set of odd natural number divided. Odd natural numbers divisible by 2. It is possible. The statement is not valid. Statement is not valid. So set of natural number cannot be odd natural number. It cannot be divided by 2. So this is the fine null set. Second, set of even prime number. Set of even prime number. Yes, if we have only one even prime number 1, that is 2, it is not fine. It is 1. One more thing I want to tell you. Suppose that one person is right. What is the empty set? Empty set I represent like this or this. Okay. If anybody represent like this, so it is empty set? No, it is not empty set because here 5 working as an element. 5 working as an element. This is not an empty set. This is empty set. So in this question, we have to tell what are the empty set or not. Now, some other question, that is, they in question number 2, they are asking that from NCERT, the following are finite or infinite set. I am just reading the set of month of a year. Yes, it is fixed because we have a 12 month in a year. It is well defined. It is limited, so it is a finite set. Then written second part. Question number 2, second part. 1, 2, 3, dash. This is the natural number. Okay, and you can say this is the numbers, and this number and unlimited, you can write any number. Okay, so this is the infinite. This is infinite, not finite, right? And okay, some other question. Now, question number 4, you have to say that it is equal or not. Second part is A having element 4, 8, 12, 16. And B is another set having element 8, 4, 16 and 15. We have to write it is correct, it is equal or not. Okay? We can see that 18 is not present in first set. 18 is not available in the first set. Okay, it is available in second set. So it is not equal to B. For equal set, all the element must be equal to the both set must have equal element, equal same element. Okay, one more question. We have to tell a set A x such that x is a letter in the word follow. Okay, and B y such that y is a letter in the word wolf. Just see here. Now here F, O and L repeated, okay, twice. So simply if you write in this roster form, you will write F, O, L and W. Only 4 letters exist. Only 4 letters. Here in B, W, O, L, F. And you can see here, this is equal to this, hence A is correct. So in this way, we can complete the exercise 1.2. In next class, we will start from exercise 1.3, and that is based on subset. It is a very interesting and important topic. Okay, so in next class we will start the subset. Okay, thank you.